In today's video, I will walk you through how to use MetaTrader 5 demo account on PC. The first step is to go to the MetaTrader 5 homepage. You can search for MetaTrader 5 using your preferred search engine, or use the link provided in the video description. Once you're on the MetaTrader 5 website, choose the web terminal option. If you prefer, you can also download the desktop version instead, but for this tutorial, we'll use the web terminal. After the web terminal opens, you'll arrive at the main login screen. If you already have an account, you can sign in using your existing details. Since we're creating a new demo account, click Open Demo Account. If you're planning to connect an existing broker account instead, you would choose Connect to Account. But for this tutorial, we're only creating a demo account. The demo account registration form will now appear. Fill in the required information, including your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. You'll also see a few additional options on the form. Leave those settings as they are, unless you want to make changes, then continue by clicking Open Demo Account. After the account is created, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. This page contains your demo account login information. Take a moment to save these details because you'll need them whenever you want to access the demo account again. An easy way to save them is by using the Copy to Clipboard option, then pasting the information somewhere safe for future reference. Once you've saved your login details, you're ready to start using the demo account. The trading interface will load, and you'll see your charts displayed on the screen. If you want to switch to a different market, use the symbols list to choose another trading instrument. You can also adjust some of the platform's visual settings by clicking the hamburger menu located in the upper left corner of the interface. From there, you can make changes to the display according to your preferences, while continuing to use your demo account. Whenever you return to MetaTrader 5 in the future, simply use the login information you saved earlier to access the same demo account again. That's all there is to creating and using a MetaTrader 5 demo account on your PC. Visit the MetaTrader 5 homepage, open the web terminal or desktop version, select Open Demo Account, complete the registration form, save your login information, and you'll be ready to start using the charts and exploring the platform with your demo account. Thank you for watching.